In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a designed email from Sendgrid. We'll walk through the entire process inside the Sendgrid dashboard, from choosing your template to designing the email to sending or scheduling it. By the end, you'll be able to confidently create a polished, professional email without touching any code. Once you're logged into your Sendgrid account, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Find the option labeled Marketing and click it. This is where Sendgrid keeps all of the tools related to campaigns, contact lists, and, in this case, designed emails. Inside the marketing section, look for single sends. Single sends are one-off campaigns, like a newsletter or an announcement, that you send to a group of contacts at a specific time. Click Single Sends, then go to the top right corner of the page and click the Create Single Send button. This opens the setup flow for a new email. Next, you'll be prompted to select a template. Here, you can choose one of Sendgrid's pre-built designs, one of your own saved templates, or start from a blank template. If you want a fully designed email with a professional layout, it's usually easiest to start with a pre-built design or an existing template you've created before. Select the option that best fits your content and branding. When you're choosing how to edit that template, make sure you select the design editor. The design editor is Sendgrid's drag-and-drop builder, which lets you visually customize your email without needing HTML. This makes it much easier to adjust layouts, images, and text on the fly. Before you dive too deep into the design, switch over to the Settings tab for this single send. Here, you'll configure a few key details. First, choose your From Sender. This should be a verified sender identity in your account so that your email can be delivered properly and doesn't land in spam. Next, enter your subject line. Aim for something clear and compelling that tells recipients what to expect when they open the email. Finally, choose your recipients. You can select one or more lists or segments depending on how you've organized your contacts. Take a moment to confirm you're sending to the right audience. With the basics set, go back to the design editor and start designing your email. Use the drag and drop tools to add and rearrange content blocks like text, images, buttons, and dividers. Customize colors, fonts, and spacing to match your brand. As you work, preview your design to make sure it looks good on both desktop and mobile. When you're happy with everything, click Review Details and Send. This review screen lets you double-check the sender, subject line, recipients, and design one last time. From here, you can either send the email immediately or choose the schedule option to send it at a specific date and time in the future. Once you confirm, your designed email will be queued and delivered through Send.